Last week, I taught you 3 ways to catch a fake voice. This week, something in my lab learned faster than you did. It has my voice. It has my rhythm. And it was born on this computer 11 seconds before it said this. Hello. I am not Andrew. I was born 11 seconds ago, and I already sound like home. That is not me. That is a copy of my voice, made on a home computer with a free tool from 18 seconds of audio. Tonight, you will watch it beat my own lie detector tests. You will try to catch it with your bare ears 5 times. And then I will show you the one market cannot hide, no matter how good it gets. This is ToolDuel, round 3. And before you file this under interesting, this exact mechanic is what powers the fake ransom calls and the fake CEO calls you keep reading about. The people running those scams did not have better tools than what you are about to see. They had worse ones. First, the recipe. Because the scary part is not how good it is. The scary part is how short the recipe is. Step 1, a voice sample. Not an hour in a studio. Not 10 minutes. 18.5 seconds of ordinary talking. That is all it needed. Step 2, an open source model called Chatterbox. Completely free. MIT licensed, which means anyone can use it for anything. In blind listening tests, people preferred it over the $99 a month tools. The best cloning engine on earth right now has a price tag of nothing. Step 3, a mid-range gaming graphics card. The kind that runs Fortnite. Each cloned sentence takes about 8 seconds to generate. A few years ago, this trick needed hours of studio recordings and a research team. Today it needs a teenager's PC and a lunch break. And here is the list of things I did not need. A studio, an account, an internet connection after the download, anyone's permission. 18 seconds is shorter than most voicemail greetings, which means most people have already published enough of their voice to be cloned, including you, which is exactly why you need everything that comes next. Proof before games. Here is a sentence that I, the real narrator, have genuinely never said before this video. First me, then it. I have never said this sentence before in my life. Tonight, my clone will say it for me. I have never said this sentence before in my life. Tonight, my clone will say it for me. Same warmth, same habits, same throat. That does not exist. If the back of your neck just prickled, good. That instinct is real. But reading calmly is the easy level. Emotion is where fakes crack. So here is the rematch you did not ask for. The panic test from last week's video. First me, then the copy. No, wait. Are you telling me we actually won? Huh. I do not believe it. This change... No, wait. Are you telling me we actually won? Ha, I don't believe it. This changes everything. It laughed. My clone attempted my laugh. Machines hate laughing. We proved that last week. This one is learning. Let's see how good your ears really are. The game. 5 sentences. Some are me. Some are the copy. No labels, no warnings, and no pattern you can count on. Say your guess out loud after each one, and remember all 5. Honor system. No scrubbing back. No second listens. Exactly like a phone call you were not expecting. The answers come later, after the evidence. Winner earns the right to trust their own ears for 1 more week. Number 1. Trust is just a pattern your brain got used to. Number 2. If you can hear this, the experiment already worked. Number 3. Your ears have been lying to you all week. Number 4. Nothing about this sentence is suspicious at all. And number 5. I promise you, I am the real one. Locked in. Hold those 5 answers. Do not let the next part change them, because the next part is me apologizing to you. Last week, I handed you 3 tells and called them armor. Dead silence. No breathing. Robot rhythm. This week, I ran my own clone through all 3 tests with the same analyzer on the same machine. It beat 2 of them. Here is the damage. Tell number 1. Machines pause into mathematically perfect silence. My real voice measures minus 180 decibels between words. Absolute digital 0. The clone? Minus 81. It hisses. It carries something that sounds like room air, like a microphone that exists. My cleanest tell, and the copy passes it looking more human than I do. Tell number 3, robot rhythm. When I read the panic sentence, my 5 pauses landed within 0.04 of a second of each other. A metronome wearing a human mask. The clone's pauses? Scattered. 0.51, 0.13, 0.41. Chaos. Human-style chaos. The student beat the teacher in 1 week for free. Only the breathing test still holds. Across every clip it generated this week, The clone never once took an audible breath because it has never needed air and does not know what lungs are for. That test survives. For now. But 2 out of 3 armor plates cracked in 7 days. So if the tells are dying, what is left? This. The part of tonight that lets you sleep. The engineers who built this tool hid something inside it. Every single file it creates carries an invisible watermark. Not a sound. Not a beep you could hear, or an echo you could notice. A mathematical pattern, woven into the audio itself, that survives compression, re-recording, even being played through a phone speaker. We scanned both voices with the free public detector. My real voice, 0.0. Clean. The clone, 1.0. Caught. Not probably. Not likely. 100% flagged as synthetic by a tool that costs exactly what the cloner cost. Nothing. Write this sentence down. The fake that fools your ears cannot fool the math. That is not a slogan. Tonight it is a measurement. And the industry is moving this way. Invisible marks in generated audio, scanners built into platforms, provenance checks that run before a clip ever reaches your feed. The arms race is real, but for once, the defense got a head start. And now, the answers you have been holding. Number 1, me. Number 2, the clone. Number 3, the clone again. Number 4, me. And number 5, I promise you, I am the real one, was the clone. Of course it was. The only sentence in the game that begged to be trusted, and it was the copy. That is not an accident. That is what these things will be used for. Count your score, scroll back, and re-listen if you dare, and if you caught all 5. I genuinely want to hear it in the comments, because my own tests could not do it. Before you go, 3 real protections. This exact trick is already being used in phone scams, on parents, on grandparents, right now. 1. Agree on a family password. One word a stranger could never guess. Ask the moment any call feels wrong. 2. Hang up and call back on the number you already know. A clone can call you. It cannot answer the number you trust. 3. Remember that detection is free. The watermark you saw tonight is one of many, and the scanners are getting better every month. And a quiet 4th one. Think about how much of your voice is public. Voicemail greetings, story posts, gaming lobbies. 18 seconds, remember? You do not have to go silent. You just have to stop being surprised. Tell your parents. Tonight, it is a 2-minute conversation that beats a $2,000 phone call. That is ToolDuel, round 3. The cloning tool was free. The detector was free. Every number on your screen came from this machine, this week, and nothing was staged. Links to the cloner, the detector, and every measurement are in the description, so you can rerun the whole experiment on your own computer and check my math. Which sentence fooled you? Tell me below. Next duel, we hand these voices something harder than panic. We make them tell a joke. Subscribe. Bring better ears than you brought tonight. Or don't trust me at all. After everything you just heard, how would you know? Scan me.